Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make money with YouTube Shorts and affiliate marketing. And you don't even need to film these videos by yourself. You don't even need to show your face. And I'm going to show you everything step by step. And not just that, but I'm also going to show you how you can double your earnings with YouTube Shorts. So with that being said, let's start. So first thing I need to do, I need to choose my niche. So let's say I'm in workout niche. So second thing I need to do, I need to find products to promote. And for the purpose of this video, I'm going to use ClickBank. And I'm here on ClickBank Marketplace. And what I need to do, I need to scroll here and I need to click here on health and fitness. And then I need to click here on exercise and fitness to find workout related products. And I can promote any of these products. So let's say I wish to promote this product here, hyperbolic stretching. What I need to do, I need to click here on promote to get my ClickBank affiliate link. Click here on generate hook links, give it a second, and then click here to copy my affiliate link. And I'm going to paste that affiliate link in Notepad. Okay, and let me just minimize this and minimize this. So next thing I need to do, I need to find keywords. And for that, I'm going to use vidIQ. And you can use free version of vidIQ to find keywords for YouTube Shorts. So because we are talking about workout, here I will just type workout. Okay, and then click search. And here you can see 2.6 million people is searching this keyword every month on YouTube. And here you can see competition is 97, which is very high, but we don't really care about that. We are looking for keywords that have high search volume. And the reason for that is because we are making YouTube Shorts. And even though competition is very high, this is a competition for regular YouTube videos, not for YouTube Shorts. And if you are actually targeting these big keywords in your YouTube Shorts, you will get lots of views. But on the other hand, if you are targeting small keywords with less competition and less search volume, you will not get any views because there is not that many people who search that on YouTube Shorts. That is why you need to target these big keywords and you don't need to care about competition, okay? And here you can even see more keyword ideas. For example, abs workout. And here you can see, just scroll here, almost 2 million people is searching this keyword every month on YouTube. Competition is still very high, but like I said, we don't really care about competition because we are making YouTube Shorts. So next thing we need to do, we need to find a material, photos and images, royalty-free photos and images for our video. And let's say I wish to use abs workout as my main keyword. So what I need to do, I need to go on Pexels and I need to search here for ab workout related photos and images and videos. And what I need to do, I need to click here on orientation and choose vertical because we are making YouTube Shorts and we need vertical videos and photos. And you can combine photos and videos in your own video. And like I said, all of these photos and videos, when you click here on videos, you will get videos are royalty free and you can use them in commercial use. Don't worry, we will not use them in commercial use. We will use them to make our YouTube Shorts videos. And all you have to do is just download these photos and videos on your desktop in order to make your videos. Now, if you can use one of those video editors to make your videos, that would be great. But those video editors are a bit complicated. So if you are a beginner, maybe better option is to actually use Canva. And you can use free option on Canva that is quite fine. So what you need to do, you need to come on Canva and you need to choose mobile video. Okay, and this is how your format will look like. And what you need to do, you need to upload photos and videos that you downloaded from Pexels. And you need to upload them on Canva. And I already did that so we don't lose any time. And this is the photo that I downloaded. And all I have to do is just drag this photo here on my template. Okay? And I need to just drag it to make it fit to my template, just like this. Okay? And I can make it center. And this is my first slide. Okay? And what you need to do, you actually need to add some text to your first slide. And what I can do is I can simply click here on this text and you can choose one of these text styles. There is lots of text styles that you can choose. I usually choose this one here. So I will just click on it and I need to delete this And I can add my own text. And let me just make this wider to make it more visible, just like this, okay? And I will actually move this up here to make it more visible, or, okay, here. And this is my first slide. To add second slide, all you have to do is just click here on this plus and you will add another slide. And then just go back to your uploads, and I uploaded a video that I downloaded from Pexels, and what I need to do, I simply need to drag that video here, okay? And that is my second slide, and that is actually my second slide and my first workout, because name of my video is 10 abs workouts for flat belly. That is my title. And I can make this video fit to my template just like this. Okay, just drag it like this. And I also need to add some text to my second slide. Again, just click here on text. And I can say something like this. Exercise number 1. And I can move this here and I can change the color of this. This is black and it is not that visible. So all I have to do is just highlight this and click here on this A, and let's say to be white, okay? And it is not that visible, but it doesn't matter. You will make this much better. And you need to add as many slides as you need, because this is 10 workouts. All I need to do, I need to add in total 11 slides. First slide as an intro, and then 10 slides for 10 workouts, okay? Now this is really important, because on YouTube Shorts description is not visible. People need to click on 3 dots in lower right corner in order to see description. So what you need to do, you need to go here on elements and you need to tell them first click on the link in description, and then you need to add an arrow just like this. You can choose different arrows if you want, and I will actually add this one. And I will actually rotate this arrow just like this, okay? And I will move it here, okay? To show where they need to click. They need to click on these 3 dots in order to see the description of these YouTube Shorts, okay? That is what you need to do. And like I said, you need to say here, click the link in the description and add this arrow. And also you can change the color of this arrow. But I will keep it white in this case. And also, if you can add a voiceover to your YouTube Shorts video, that would be great. But if you can't, then you can add a music. You need to add some kind of voice. You can find royalty-free music on YouTube Audio Library. And you can use that music in your YouTube Shorts video. Now, after you finish everything, all you have to do is just click here in upper right corner on download and download this as an MP4 to your desktop. And the next thing you need to do, you need to upload your YouTube Shorts on YouTube. And here you can see it automatically pulled the title of my video, 10 ab workouts for a flat belly. And this is really important, so pay close attention. In the title, you must add hashtag shorts. So let me just add shorts. Okay, because if you don't do that, then YouTube will think that this is a regular YouTube video, not a shorts. That is why you must add hashtag shorts, okay? And next thing, really important that you need to do is you need to add your affiliate link in the first line of description. Reason for that is because when people click on the description on YouTube Shorts, they can see only first line of description, and that is why your affiliate link must be in the first line of your YouTube Short description. So let me just copy my affiliate link, Control C, okay, and you need to paste it here, okay, and then you can add description of your YouTube Shorts, and that description should be keyword rich. In this case, I'm targeting abs workout and flat belly. So I need to add a description that contains those keywords. Okay, that is really important. And when you scroll here and click on more, you will see that YouTube says that tags are not particularly important anymore on YouTube, but you need to add tags. And those tags must be related to your video. In this case, abs workout, flat belly workout, and something like that. You need to add tags like that to your video. And after that, all you have to do is just click here on next, and publish this video as a public video. And you saw how easy it is to make these videos. You can literally make them in under 15 minutes. And you must upload these videos every day. And at least one of your videos will go viral in next 30 days, and you will start getting thousands and thousands of views, and you will start getting clicks to your affiliate link, and you will start making sales. And not just that, but what you can also do is you can upload these same videos on your Instagram page as Instagram Reels, and also upload them on your TikTok page. And not just that, but actually I'm eligible for YouTube Shorts bonus on this channel, but because I'm making this video on the beginning of this month, I actually cannot see that anymore, but on the end of each month, I can actually see that I need to claim my YouTube Shorts bonus. And because you own all rights on these YouTube Shorts that you made, you will be eligible for YouTube Shorts bonus. And you will double your earnings with YouTube Shorts videos, because you will be making money with YouTube Shorts bonuses and also with affiliate marketing. So this is how you make money with YouTube Shorts and affiliate marketing. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.